Welcome to News Edge, your sharpest source for daily headlines and deep dives. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the curve. For centuries, we gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Today, July 30th, 2025, we have an answer that changes everything. Scientists have released the first ever direct image of an exoplanet in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima b, our closest interstellar neighbor. This isn't a blurry dot or a hint in the data, it's a real picture just over 4 light-years away. This moment will be etched in history, alongside the first steps on the moon. The cosmos just got a little less lonely. This discovery is more than a scientific milestone, it's a profound moment for humanity. We are the first generation to see a planet outside our solar system with such clarity. This image is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a message to every child, those distant lights are worlds. The universe is inviting us to look closer, and we have finally answered the call. Astronomers, geologists, and climatologists now have a new world to study. But beyond science, this image inspires us all, reminding us of the vastness and wonder of the universe. It puts our own world into perspective. This new dot in our sky is a new hope, a new destination for our imagination. The science fiction of yesterday is becoming the science fact of today. For centuries, we could only imagine what planets around other stars looked like. Now, we have a photograph. This single image, made possible by the James Webb Space Telescope and gravitational lensing, marks a new chapter in our cosmic story. We are no longer just stargazers, we are planet seers. The quest to understand our place in the universe just took a giant leap forward, and the journey is only beginning. So what is Proxima b? Let's get introduced. Proxima b is an exoplanet, meaning it orbits a star other than our Sun. Discovered in 2016 by its effect on its star, Proxima Centauri, it's our closest cosmic neighbor. Proxima Centauri is a small, faint red dwarf, and Proxima b orbits it much closer than Mercury orbits our Sun. But because the star is cooler and dimmer, this close orbit puts Proxima b in the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. Proxima b completes an orbit in just 11.2 Earth days and is about 1.3 times Earth's mass, likely making it a rocky planet. But living there would be very different. Its star is a volatile red dwarf, known for powerful flares that could strip away the planet's atmosphere. Proxima b is likely tidally locked, one side in perpetual day, the other in eternal night. The most interesting region might be the twilight zone between day and night. For years, all we had were indirect clues, a wobble in the star's light, estimates of mass and orbit. We couldn't see it until now. Now, the ghost has stepped into the light. Proxima b is close, yet so far, in the habitable zone, yet facing immense challenges. It fires up our imagination while reminding us of the harsh realities of the cosmos. This image turns a statistical certainty into a real place. The universe just got a little more familiar. Capturing this image was like spotting a firefly next to a searchlight from thousands of miles away. The James Webb Space Telescope was our main tool, but even it needed help. Enter gravitational lensing, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein, where massive objects bend and magnify light. Astronomers waited for a rare alignment. A distant galaxy cluster magnified the faint light of Proxima b, making it just bright enough for JWST to detect. The telescope's coronagraph blocked the star's glare, isolating the planet's faint glow. Months of data processing and advanced algorithms reconstructed the image from the distorted, lensed light. It was like assembling a cosmic jigsaw puzzle. What emerged was more than a picture, it was a triumph of technology, patience, and collaboration. For the first time, we saw a world orbiting another star. The impossible became reality. Why was this image so elusive? For years, Proxima b was just a ghost, its existence inferred, not seen. The radial velocity method detected its gravitational tug on its star, but gave us no picture. The transit method, which spots planets passing in front of their stars, didn't work. Proxima b's orbit isn't aligned for that. Direct imaging is the holy grail, but incredibly difficult. Even though Proxima Centauri is our closest neighbor, it's still over 25 trillion miles away. The planet is faint, its star blindingly bright. Previous telescopes, including Hubble, failed to spot it. We needed a bigger, colder, more advanced telescope in space, JWST. Even then, it took a perfect cosmic alignment to give us the boost we needed. This image is a leap from indirect evidence to direct sight. It's not just an improvement, it's a revolution. For the first time we see a rocky world orbiting another star. The universe just became a little more accessible. And our methods will only get better. What have we learned from this image? First, Proxima B's size about 1.1 times Earth's diameter, confirming it's a rocky world with a density similar to ours. The JWST's instruments performed basic spectroscopy, breaking down the planet's faint light. Early signs point to an atmosphere. Weak signatures of carbon dioxide, maybe a trace of methane. No clear sign of oxygen or water vapor yet, but the presence of any atmosphere is huge. This suggests Proxima b may have a strong magnetic field, shielding it from its star's flares. That dramatically increases its chances of being habitable. The image also gives us surface temperature estimates. The day side is hot, but the twilight zone could be just right for liquid water. The Terminator zone is now the most compelling place to search for life. This is a game changer for our understanding of planets around red dwarfs. We're not just seeing a world, we're starting to understand it. The search for life just got a lot more interesting, and the data is only beginning to be explored. The image lets us paint a first picture of Proxima b's surface. The planet appears a deep rusty red with lighter and darker patches. The color could be from iron-rich rocks, or complex molecules formed by radiation. Brighter regions might be highlands or surface frost. Darker areas could be ancient lava fields or just maybe liquid in the twilight zone. There are hints of clouds. Subtle changes in brightness suggest weather and a dynamic atmosphere. We don't know what these clouds are made of yet, but their presence implies a complex climate. Proxima b is not a blue marble like Earth. Its sky would be red, its oceans, if they exist, dark and foreboding. The landscape is alien, sculpted by forces we're only beginning to understand. But it's a world with geology, weather, and maybe even seasons. It's not Earth's twin, but it's a real complex place. For the first time, it's more than a point of data, it's a world. And it's waiting for us to learn its secrets. The universe just got a little more colorful. Could there be life on Proxima b? This image doesn't give us a definitive answer, but it transforms the question into a testable hypothesis. The presence of an atmosphere and possible magnetic field puts life back on the table. Life here would be very different, adapted to extreme radiation, perhaps living underground or in the twilight zone. Methane in the atmosphere is intriguing. On Earth, it's often a sign of life. Future telescopes will search for more biosignatures: oxygen, methane, and the red edge of alien photosynthesis. The search for life is now at the forefront of astronomy. We have a roadmap and a real place to look. The greatest question in science just got a little closer to an answer. This discovery is more than a single image. It's a proof of concept. The technique used here will be applied to other nearby exoplanets. We've opened a new window into the universe, and astronomers are already planning what's next. The image of Proxima b will drive the development of even larger, more advanced telescopes. Missions like the Habitable Worlds Observatory will get a boost. Interstellar travel projects like Breakthrough Starshot now seem less like science fiction. Seeing Proxima b as a real place gives us a tangible target. This changes our culture, our art, and our sense of possibility. For the first time, everyone can look at a picture and know that's another world, right next door. The future of exploration just got a lot more exciting. Today, we celebrate a monumental achievement, the first clear image of Proxima b. We've peered across trillions of miles and captured the face of another world. This is just the beginning. The road ahead is long more data, better telescopes, deeper questions. As we look out at other worlds, we're reminded to care for our own. The image of Proxima b is a cosmic mirror, reflecting the fragility and uniqueness of Earth. Our ingenuity must serve both discovery and stewardship. Keep looking up. The universe is vast and full of wonders. We've taken a breathtaking photograph of our nearest neighbor. The journey has just begun, and the cosmos awaits. As long as we keep reaching for the stars, our future will be as limitless as the universe itself.